What's up, worthy people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is IE. Today I'm going to do a review for you guys, and it's on this new product that I just bought, and it is this letterboard. As you can see, it's really big. The bigger the better, right? For those who are wondering what is on my letterboard, I will read it to you. It is know your mind, body, and soul so that you can tune into you when you need it the most. Rest, restore, and regenerate so that the world can get the best of you. So that's that. This is actually the first quote that I put on my letterboard, and I thought it was perfect because it's my new motto in life. I will create a different video about my thoughts on this quote and why I put it on my letterboard, and I'm thinking about doing a series on letterboard quotes, so if you're interested in that, let me know down in the comments below. Alright, so moving on into today's review, I'm gonna show you the Little Hippo letterboard. I'm going to let you know right now that I highly recommend this product because I believe it's a great all-in-one starter pack if you're new to letterboarding, because letterboarding is a word. I want to start off by saying this review is in no way paid or promoted. This is all of my honest opinion. I paid with my own money for this, but if anyone from the Little Hippo company wants to reach out, we could do some collaboration. I'm all for that, so look down below for my contact information. Alright, with that said, back to the product itself. One of the reasons why I absolutely love this letterboard is for the size. So I ended up choosing the 12 by 18 inch letterboard that I have in my hands. They also have another size, I believe it's 10 by 10 inches. Personally, I think that's just way too small. When I was looking for these letterboards, I was scrolling through pages and pages of Amazon. I even checked actual store locations like Marshall's to see what kind of options I have for letterboards. I thought maybe even a hexagon letterboard would have been good for me because I do like things that are a little bit different. So I wanted something that stood out and still big enough for me to put quotes on there because I love quotes. 10 by 10 was just way too small. So I found these 12 by 16 ones on Amazon, and I thought, great, like 12 by 16, I can get a lot of word space, right? And then I saw ones that were 12 by 17, and then I found this one, which was 12 by 18, and I'm so happy that I got the 12 by 18 inch because I could fit so many more words on here than I could have on a 12 by 16 inch. Go big or go home, right? I also love the sizing of the letters. So most of the other ones that I saw on Amazon, they come with 1 inch letters or 3/4 of an inch. This one had 3 sizes, so they come in 2 inch letters, 1 inch letters, and also the baby 3/4 of an inch letter too. So you get 3 sizes, and I just love that because you can create a lot more visually appealing letterboards with different size letters. So for your reference, on my board, I use a 3/4 of an inch for these words, and then for my last line, I use the inch letters. And that actually segues into my next point as to why I highly recommend this product, is that it gives me options. So for this letterboard, you can actually hang it on the wall right there, or you can prop it up on this adjustable easel. This has some weight to it, but the easel does hold it up very nice and steady, even when it was windy. So I did test this out. I had a booth over the weekend where I was selling my apparel line, and I actually used the letterboard to put up my prices, and it held up very well. Check out my Instagram if you want to see that in action. So in addition to the letter size options, they also give you other things such as symbols, got a star right here, shapes like this triangle, and they also give you emojis that you can work with, like this excited face here. The last reason why I love this product is because it's so easy. The letters already come pre-cut, so if you look at most other letterboard options, they come in the plastic sheet and you have to cut each letter and symbol off on your own, and I just think that takes up so much time to do, so I didn't mind spending a little bit more money to save myself a little bit more time. The product also came with a sorting tray, which makes everything so much easier for you. Can you imagine having all your letters piled in the same bag and every time you wanted to put a new message on your board, you had to go and find the letters out of that pile. I don't know about you, but I would go crazy. So I super appreciate the sorting tray that they offered with this product. When I first bought the product, it was about $36. I just checked Amazon right now and it's $27, so I'm a little bit salty on that. But good for you because you can buy it a lot cheaper than I did. I actually have two boxes in front of me because the first box they sent me seemed like it was a return from someone else. The box was damaged, the letterboard itself, the wood piece was falling off, the felt was coming out, and letters were missing. So I wrote into Amazon letting them know, and I got sent a new one within a few days. I just have to send back the old one, which is not a big problem. I'm gonna unbox the damaged one for you just because I put everything back inside already. So this is what the box looks like. It's fairly big. Keep in mind this is a 12-inch by 18-inch letterboard. Super cute packaging, really cute color. It's like a light pastel green. So in the front of the box it tells you that it's a 12 by 18-inch letterboard with black felt. Has the company name, Little Hippo, for the love of letters, create, inspire, and motivate. Again, super cute. Down here lets you know how many letters you have. So you have 343/4 of an inch letters, then you have 252 1-inch letters, and then you have 93 2-inch letters. And then on the back it just tells you a breakdown of what's inside. And the box opens up like this. So another reason why I think that they sent me like a damaged product already, because it had extra barcode stickers on here. Also, in the flap it says in here, inspiration awaits, which I think is super cute. So the first thing we have is the actual letterboard itself, and it comes in a bubble wrap. We're going to take it out. The first one they sent me has a light wood. The second one that they sent me has a darker wood, so keep in mind your wood may vary. I know you can't really tell here, but I did try gluing this back myself. But it just doesn't look as professional and not as clean. I figured if I paid $36, I would want a product that is already what it's supposed to be like and not damaged, where I don't have to go and fix it myself, because it's just not the same. Even when I tried fixing it, like the felt is already loose in the corners here and the bottom here. So it's just not a very professional look. I'm super happy that I went with black felt because I was leaning towards gray felt a little bit, but black just makes the letters pop out that much more. And if you were to buy colored letters, again, everything matches with black. The next thing we have is the sorting tray. So all the letters are already in the sorting tray. However, they're not alphabetically or numerically sorted. They're just kind of thrown in there. So it's for you to go in and sort it yourself. The sorting tray is super cute, very durable, and it has two latches, and then it opens up like this. Yeah, you just throw in your letters. You have a lot of compartments in here, that way you can store a lot more letters than they actually give you. The next thing in here is a pair of tiny scissors. So I really like this touch because even though they're pre-cut letters, there's still a little bit of plastic left on some of the letters, not all of them. So I like that they give you another pair of scissors to cut it with. That way you don't dull your own scissors at home. So I appreciate that, and I really believe it's the little things that make all the difference. So thank you, Little Hippo, for that. So the next thing that we have is a canvas pouch. I love that they give you a sorting tray and a pouch, because if there was a specific message you wanted to save, you can save it back into this pouch so that you can easily find the letters the next time you want to use that same message. So super cool that they give us both a sorting tray and a canvas bag for that reason. The last item that we have in the box is the adjustable easel here. So again, great if you want to put this on a tabletop and it can stand. Like I said before, even on the windy day, it's not going to tip over. One last cute thing that they did include was a thank you note. Just to say thank you for buying their product and to leave them a review on Amazon. And there you have it, guys. This is the Little Hippo letterboard once again. Again, they have two different size options, 12 by 18, 10 by 10. They also have gray fill options too, if you do decide to go with the gray. If you love quotes like I do, I really recommend you getting a bigger letterboard just because you can put way more words on there. If I went for a 10 by 10, I could probably only fit a third of the actual quote that I have here. I'm super happy that I actually went for the 12 by 18 because every inch counts. I'd rather have more space than too little of a space, because if I do have extra space, I can play with the spacing and add like emojis or symbols on there to make it a little bit cuter. But if I was limited on space, I would feel super limited in my creativity. And honestly, one of the great things about letterboards is that you can be super creative with it, so why limit yourself? That's it for today, everybody. If you end up buying the product, let me know how you like it, and also let me know the types of messages that you put on your own letterboard, so comment them down below. Again, if you do want me to go into why I chose this quote, then I will create another video. It's kind of like a chit chat, get into IE's head kind of video. And if I do create another video, I will link that video down below. That way you can check that out. Make sure to click on the like button to let me know you like review type videos. Also, click on that red subscribe button and click on that notification bell. That way YouTube knows to send you my video updates. Other than that, I will see you all next time. Bye, fam.